Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the High Performance Trader. I am your host, Joshua Sully, and give me one moment here. I gotta take a call, but we are gonna dive into something that changed my trading game forever. Give me 1 second. Uh, yeah, just go drop her off. That's all right. That's okay. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's terrible. Yo, that's filthy. All right. Listen, I gotta go. That's crazy. Um, wow. Okay. Kids are ruthless. No, yeah, tell them, yeah, yeah, that's okay. Now you know. Yeah. All right, well, here, I'll call you once I'm done, okay? All right, love you, bye. All right, let's break into these charts, man. Listen, you know, we're gonna talk about some really awesome stuff. Okay, we're gonna talk about some trades. Great day on the market. Really, what I want to talk about though is, you know, once you learn to see the market in a certain perspective, there's no way to ever look at it any other way. Okay, like once you know what works, uh, there's really no reason for you to be making those irrational decisions that are costing you so much damn money. I literally took these bad trades, horrible trades for so damn long. I traded like shit for years. And I want to show you guys today what's worked for me. I want to show you guys, the trade that we took. What's today? This is 8/13/2025. It's been a really good week. We've been really doing exceptionally well, and I want to tell you why. And it's not anything crazy, but it is a little different. So we're gonna break into it. Before we go any further, for anybody that likes this content, make sure you drop a like, comment, follow, whatever you want. We answer. These are like live webinars. But for anybody that wants more information on the high performance trader and wants to actually get involved with a strategy that's going to help them stay on the right side of the market, click that link below. I will send you a free mini course on the strategy we're going to talk about today. We are building a phenomenal group over here at HPT. You do not just become an amazing trader, but you become the absolute best version of yourself. So that's exactly the environment we're building. Those are the type of people that are on our team. So stop wasting time. Click those links below. Next month it's going to be effective. I will see you there, right? Take advantage of that mini course. All right, so this is the trade we're talking about. 8/13/2025. Check this trade out, okay? Beautiful trade. Beautiful criteria, okay? Price rallies in the morning. We take no trade here. Why? Because there's no criteria. Okay? Like once you start trading with a system, you never go back, my friend. Like there is no reason for me to entertain a trade unless my strategy shows up. Like if my strategy is not there, I'm not doing nada. No setup, no trade, okay? Then we get a moving average cross followed by a beautiful green bar ignored, okay? This is our short entry and we are targeting end of day down here. So we captured a beautiful trade here. First trade, $740 trading SPX. Cool. We also took another trade as well, but I want to talk about this one first. What is different about this trade, guys? Does anybody know? Look at that time frame. 4-minute chart. Okay, this is the 4-minute time frame. I had somebody that's on HBT point something out to me. I'm going to shout you out, Willers. Willers, you're my boy. This is why I love you. This is why I'm so proud of my team. But Willers said, Josh, I'm going to need you to check out that 4-minute. Okay. I was like, okay, we've been collecting data for the last year on the 5-minute time frame. Talk to me. He goes, well, what is the most important minute on the 5-minute chart? The last minute. Okay. Think about that. We're trading the 4-minute time frame. So we are seeing that last minute of the 5-minute candle. This is extremely effective. Now, this is only effective when you trade my strategy. Okay. So I'm talking open print, moving average cross, RBI, GBI. Okay. This was our first trade that we took. It was on the 4-minute time frame. It was absolutely beautiful. Okay. Bam. Literally, this candle right here cost me like $350, but so what? So be it. I don't care. As soon as we broke the high of that previous candle, I got out of my trade. Okay. So that was trade number one. We're going to go over that one. Trade number two was a short play right here at 12:16 p.m. All right. So two trades, nothing crazy, but exactly lined up with the criteria we use. This is why I'm constantly preaching trade one strategy. Okay. Don't be the dude that strategy hops. The more you strategy hop, the lower your odds are of actually making money in this game. Okay. You have to trade the same approach. It may vary. Okay. No two trades are ever the same, but you need a way to identify the context of the market. And that is exactly what we're going to be talking about today in this lesson. Okay. So let me pull up the Discord here. Let me pull up the chat too, just in case anybody's dropping any saying some things they want to talk. Hold on. Where are you at, chat? Right there? Yes. Live stream. Okay. Cool. Let's talk about it. 4-minute time frame is phenomenal. Okay. So, just like usual, guys, we're going to break down what we always do. We're going to run through the pre-market plan first that we post every single day at 7:30 a.m. in the High Performance Trader Discord, okay? So, if you are a member, you have full access to this. SPY, pre-market plan, critical level of interest, open print, okay? Why is open print the only critical level of interest? Because we are nowhere near any other levels, okay? Once again, guys, previous day high, EOD, all right? All the levels are below. We are skyrocketing all the way up, infinity and beyond, okay? Economy's doing whatever it is, the market is extremely bullish. Does this mean we're going to go long? No. It means we're going to watch what happens at open print, okay? I do the same thing every single day, and I come on YouTube and scream it so that you guys can do the same, all right? Our goal is to figure out who is controlling the open. Ready? While getting a massive gap up this morning, it is crucial to stay aware of open print in whoever controls it, okay? Bullish scenario, watching for buyers to build strength off the open, looking to play healthy trends to the upside. Bearish scenario, watching for sellers to show dominance off open print. I want to see, check this out, guys, some bearish HPT cross criteria. That's ready. That literally is the strategy. All right. So in the pre-market plan, when I'm saying I'm looking for bearish criteria, this is what I'm talking about. This is the HPT cross criteria. Open print, moving average cross, RBI, GBI. Okay. Josh, what was the trade that we took? Open print is right here. 930 bell price. Moving average cross is right there. Followed by a green bar. So that is where we hopped in the market short. Okay. So once again, everybody on my team knows what I'm talking about. I'm saying when we get bearish criteria off the open, you trade short. Okay. Below EOD, I'm targeting 640. Okay. So once again, Very simple. I'm just looking to trade with whoever controls the open. Let me whip out SPY alerts, right? So now I want to show you guys where I actually called out my position in the platform for everybody to take advantage of. Okay. Right here. At 10:23 a.m., I'm trying shorts here. Let's get 644. Okay. This is what it looked like. Obviously, at this point, I'm trading off my phone. All right. So once again, you don't need, like when you're trading our strategy, you can trade off your phone. I don't encourage it, but it's possible. Okay. Like all you need is your phone. I have open print right here. I have a moving average cross right here. And I have a short entry right there. Where's my stop loss go? Stop goes right there. Okay. So once again, open print, moving average cross, green bar ignored. Now, look at the time frame. 4 minute. This Eric, the 4 minute is phenomenal. Eric's an HPT member. He's been on the team. He said, I was thrown off at first. I was fully focused on the 5 minute. The 5 minute is amazing. But what's happened this month in particular is we haven't been able to capitalize on as many trades as usual. So if we look at the data reports, we're usually around that 20 to 25 trades a month. The month of July, we got 16 trades. The last half of June, we got, so basically we're averaging 30% less trades. And it's not because the 5 minutes bad, it's because the market conditions are buck wild. Them shits are all over the place. We got all this crazy news. We got Trump throwing teats. Teats. We have Trump throwing tweets. We got all this crazy shit going on. And, ready? We're trading all-time high. Anytime you're trading all-time high, this shit's going through, it's going crazy. So you just said it. Perfect. I agree. Adapting. So HPT member Will, he goes, Josh, I got to show you something. And he sent me the 4 minute. Now, I haven't completely rolled this out to the world yet because I just want a little more data on it. But there's a general rule of thumb when it comes to trading. Top down. Larger time frame, work your way down. Okay? So all HPT members know, right? Like I'm really big on the 1 hour time frame, right? Like very big on the 1 hour time frame. So why do we use the 1 hour time frame? To understand the context, right? We don't necessarily get into trades based off the 1 hour, but we use the 1 hour. Why? To better understand the context. So I tell every trader, right? Because some traders use 2 minute. Everybody's different. Like there's no perfect tool. There's no perfect time frame. It's what works best for you. Now, what I really like about the 4 minute is that it isolates the last minute of the 5 minute candle, right? So what the 4 minutes kind of done is A, give us quicker entries, B, give us tighter stops, and C, present a little more opportunity. So obviously we're still in very early stages of the 4 minute, but the 4 minute time frame is definitely been serving me exceptionally well. I took trades off the 4 minute yesterday, and this right here, like we just went over, was off the 4 minute TF. Okay, there's our entry short. There's our GBI. Okay, so that's what we're looking to do. So that's why we got in that first setup. Really good trade. Let me just pull back out the Discord. We could go through this a little more. So we hopped in shorts once we got the green bar ignored. Targeting 644, price just shattered through it. Bam. And we held. Price continued to go. Everything looked healthy, and then out of nowhere, out. Right? So at 11:21, I just want to talk about this. So this candle right here is the 11:16 candle. I stomped out right here. And so what I do, like when I'm holding a position, I've been getting a lot of questions about like how I hold. Because we held literally all the way to here, right? That was our trade. What you'll notice is this was 1 hour. Do you guys know on average the market imbalance takes 1 hour and 20 minutes? Isn't that crazy? Kind of makes you wonder why we don't hold that long, right? Like on average, it takes price to go from open print. This is what we call a market imbalance, right? Like this space in between open print and PDH, that's a market imbalance. On average, that takes an hour and 20 minutes, right? 80 minutes based off the last year of data. So once again, if you struggle with holding positions, that's something to think about, right? The market imbalance literally takes 80 minutes on average to happen. So don't be afraid if you're holding your position more than 10, 15 minutes, okay? Don't hold it the whole day, all right? Don't go full retard. But if the moving averages are telling you to hold the bitch, right? Like, hold it. My bad. That's my little rant. I got stomped out right here, though, and I was pretty butthurt about it because I really wanted this move. But the market doesn't care about how I feel. The market operates based on supply and demand. There must, at that time, been a lot of people short in the market, but that's okay because our second trade was right here. Okay, let's talk about the second trade. So once I took this trade on the Discord, we took this short, bam, right? It's a fucking smoke show. The moment hold on, I actually want to show you guys. All right, so right here, out at 11:21 a.m., I'm like, all right, that was a great play. Then I go, now we wait for that 1 hour to catch up and get back to work, okay? So for the next hour, I'm not in front of my computer. Like, if the 1 hour isn't next to price, I'm not even in front of my damn computer. Like, and for people that don't know what I'm talking about, let me explain. This jagged line is the 1 hour time frame, okay? If that jagged line is far away from price, like down here, right? Look at how far price is, okay? It's about $1.40. This right here is called unhealthy price action. I do not want to entertain a short play when the market looks like this because of how far away we are from the 1 hour. If I'm in a short play, that's different. But notice, 11 o'clock is right here. What happened? Right when we came into 11 o'clock, the snapback happened, right? Some people blame this move on Donald Trump. Right here. You know what I blame that snapback on? That's regular price action. That's because we're literally next to a critical level, previous day high, and we're extended from the 1 hour 9. Look at we're super far away. Trump ain't have nothing to do with that. We're just extended. That's the type of shit that happens when we are extended from the moving averages. It's unhealthy. So that's why once I got stopped out of that trade, I'm like, you know what? I'm gone. I'll be back in front of my computer when the 1 hour catches up. Until then, the market is unhealthy. And this is what we go through in our mentorship program. Like when you join HPT, if you join Trader Bootcamp, you get a few sessions with me. But everybody in the mentorship program, they're very well aware of this document I'm showing you. Step number one is learning to, like, we have 3 jobs as a day trader. Number one is learning to spot healthy and unhealthy market conditions. Okay. Step number 2 is execution. Step number 3 is manage your trade. Okay. We go through exercises to do that. But what's most important is knowing when to participate and when not to. Okay. So when I'm in a short play and then this happens and that 1 hour is far away, I'm done. I'm not doing anything until that 1 hour catches back up. I don't care what the market does. I don't care what I miss. I will not trade shitty price action. It's just not worth it. It's like, what's the chances of I'll use me. There's a very low chance that I'm going to go out tonight and get plastered drunk. Okay. I've been sober for over 4 years. That's a very low chance. So, and now why won't I do that? Because I have self-worth. Okay. So if you're making bad decisions in the market, you have to ask yourself, actually, why are you doing it? Like, why? Why are you making those bad decisions? You need to reevaluate, because you shouldn't, yeah, we make mistakes, but we have to align our intentions correctly, right? Like, we shouldn't be trading unhealthy price action. Now I went short right here, and it was actually quite simple. It was literally just because price came into, all right, ready? Check this out. You guys are going to love this. So check this out. In the Discord, I go back in shorts at 12.19. Okay, market looks something like this. So when the market looked like this, I decided I was going to buy puts. So right here, I entered into SPX puts, targeting PDH. Okay, that was my trade. Now, Josh, why did you take this? Very simple. This is a 5-minute time frame chart. This is what we call a GBI. Okay, guys, hold on. You guys see this green candle? Do you see how the red candle ignored the bottom? That becomes a green bar that's ignored, right? This becomes our area of interest, okay? So I looked at this as if I was already in short. I was like, Josh, you're in short. Like, I wasn't in short technically, but I was like, bearish structure is still valid. We are rejecting off the 20 here as well. So therefore, I'm getting in the market short, because my criteria is still valid. It hasn't been disrespected. Green bar right here, ignored, blew the bottom off, right? So we hop in the market short. Josh, when do you know when to get in the short? When price starts respecting the 20, baby. Because if I get in this trade, I want appropriate risk. Okay? I'm not going to go full retard and go, oh, well, my risk got to be all the way up here. No, it don't. It just needs to be off an area that makes sense. In this scenario, that's going to be the 20 EMA. So that's why I hopped in that trade. And then I dropped down to the 2-minute to monitor it. It's a pretty good trade. We were targeting PDH. I actually got out of this at literally almost not the perfect time. But once price came into PDH and end of day right here, I was out of the trade. All in all, it was a great session. HPT members, we're going to be doing a lot more study on the 4-minute. You're going to see me taking some trades off it. It's in, and you guys know I wouldn't be talking about it unless I was confident with it. The 4-minute is, I'm not saying it's the holy grail, okay? It may be. But what I am saying is, in these current market conditions, our strategy with the 4-minute time frame is highly effective, very effective. It's really good. It's like, it's not as long as the 5-minute, but it ain't as short as the 2-minute. It gives us lower risk. It gives us higher and tighter entries. But before you change anything, always remember, larger time frame analysis down. Context reading skills need to be there. Okay, we can't just go I trade the 2-minute time frame, but that doesn't mean I take every RBI I see, right? There needs to be confluences with the moving averages on larger time frames. Okay, that's what high performance traders are all about. We trade moving averages, critical levels, and RBI GBIs, baby. It was a great day. Overall, I'm very proud of the way we traded. And I'm just thankful. I'm thankful for you guys. I fucking love you guys. Because it's weird, like, I've pushed myself extremely hard lately. And I'm far from fucking perfect. But it's really nice having you guys, and I appreciate all you. I hope you guys take a lot from these sessions. And like I said, our strategy with the 4-minute time frame is very effective. If you want more information, subscribe, get that free mini course. And for all you traders out there that feel lonely and you're looking for a good spot to really level up and become the absolute best version of you, you guys already know. Click these links, because high performance trader isn't just about becoming a good day trader. It's about becoming the best version of you, right? Like, everyone on our team is moving towards the 10.0 version. Okay. And that's the environment we're trying to build. So if you are trying to be a part of that environment where everybody's leveling up, where everyone's becoming a 10.0 version, this is where you need to be. Click the links, put the application in, do whatever you need to do, but make that decision to level the fuck up. I love you guys. And by the way, we're trading live Friday. All right. So we're going to do this till the end of summer, and then we're just going to probably go back to only on the Discord. But like I said, our strategy, okay, open print, moving average cross, RBI, GBI, works very well on the 4-minute time frame. Open print is right here, 9:30 bell, moving average cross, couple, and check this out. What do you got? What is this? That right there is a green bar that was ignored. We don't go short here, but what do? We draw a box around it. Okay? So when you get that retest, you take your short. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.